Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm recreating one of my old looks. I think it was my first eyeshadow tutorial and I did it while in quarantine, guys. I remember I was miserable and then my Wi-Fi stopped working, so I couldn't even get it up for Pride Month. So here I am this month, we're actually gonna get it up. And guys, I improved so much. Like, you guys have to see the other video and see this look now. I did awesome. I will link it up here and down in the description box so you guys can go check it out. I did so much better this time. I'm honestly so proud. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Hi guys, for this eyeshadow look, I'll be using a few different palettes. The first one I'm going to be using is this NYX palette in the color Brights. First, I'll be using that yellow shade and applying it with my Coastal Scents 11 brush. I applied the yellow shade into the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm gonna blend it with this Coastal Scents 15 brush. With the same brush, I'm gonna take this orange shade. I don't like to name this palette because if you know what she did, it wasn't right. So let's just forget what palette it is, but it's the only orange I have. I'm applying this color to the center of my lid and slightly blending it with the yellow shade. This eyeshadow wasn't very pigmented, so if you have that issue, just keep applying and blending until you like the result. With the same brush, I'm going into the ColourPop Main Squeeze palette and using the color Home Slice. Apply this red shade into the outer corner of the eye and blend it with the orange shade. Now that I'm done with the colors, I'm just cleaning it up with a makeup wipe. And now we're finished with this eye, so let's move on to the other. From the NYX palette, I'm taking this green shade and applying it with my Coastal Scents detail brush. I applied it to the inner corner and blended it out with my Luxie 121 mini tapered brush. How cute is this brush? It's so glittery! Next, I'm taking the ColourPop Blue Moon eyeshadow palette and taking the color Fine China and applying it to the middle of my eyelid. This color was so pigmented. ColourPop is just awesome. Now from this palette that I refuse to name, I'll be taking that purple shade and applying it to the outer corner of my eye. I pretty much used all the same brushes because I don't own that many, but if you do, please use a different brush for every color. It will make it so much easier. And again, after I'm done, I take a makeup wipe and clean up the edges. Now it's time to cut the crease. I'm using this Makeup Revolution concealer and applying it with my concealer brush from Alamar. If you're like me and struggle to cut the crease, take your time, little baby steps, you will get there. You don't have to do it in one swipe like most influencers. It's okay. Now I'm taking this Hard Candy Glitter Vibes eyeshadow palette and taking that white shade with my Coastal Scents 17 brush and applying it to where I applied the concealer. Then I went back to that purple shade and blended it into the outer corner to take away the harsh lines created by the cut crease. Now with this Coastal Scents detail brush, I applied the white shadow into my brow bone. Now I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye and apply eyelashes, and then I'll be right back. For the lower lash line, I alternated the colors, so for this eye, I'll be doing the yellow, orange, red. Then I'm gonna blend the colors out slightly. Please don't be harsh, you don't want to lose any of the colors. For the other eye, I'm using this Morphe brush and applying the green, blue, and purple. And then again, slightly blend the colors. Now going back to this detail brush and that white eyeshadow, I'm gonna apply it to the inner corners to make my eyes pop. Lastly, I'm applying my telescopic mascara by L'Oreal on my lower eyelashes. And that's it. I'm just gonna apply the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. So that's it for this eyeshadow look. So what do you guys think? Did I do better than last time? Definitely. I'm honestly so proud. I think it looks so good. It sucks I'm not going anywhere. I wish I was, because I would definitely want to wear this out. Honestly, that white eyeshadow catches so much light too, so I am so glad I cut the crease and I did so much better. That's why practice makes perfect, guys. Don't give up. So as you guys know, it's Pride Month and I want anybody watching this video to know that you're not alone. And if you ever need someone to talk to, you guys can definitely message me. I am on the same boat as you, especially for those whose parents don't accept them. That's me. My parents still don't accept me and I'm 26. I don't think they ever will. So you're not alone. Everyone's going through their own things. It's hard out there, man, but we got this. We're all in this together, and just show love and appreciation for everyone, okay? And be kind to each other, because you don't know what they're going through at home. I mean, on camera you guys might think I'm just this happy person, but reality is my parents, my family doesn't accept me, and it does hurt. So just know you're not alone. And if you ever have thoughts that you can't say it on YouTube, there are a lot of hotlines. You can call 911. Please, you're not alone. Don't do anything to yourself. You got this. You will get through this. Life gets better. And on that note, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys recreate this look, tag me in it. If you have any other eyeshadow looks you want me to try, let me know. I might do this eyeshadow but with the pansexual colors, because if you guys don't know, I am pan, so that'll be cute. So keep an eye out for that one. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe and all that good stuff. It'll definitely help me out. I'm trying to reach 1K. I'm trying to show my family that I can do this, and I will. So if you could share my video too, that would be so amazing. And that's it. Hope you guys have an awesome Pride Month, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.